viewers, this is second part of classified question of algebra and number. So in my previous video of classified question of algebra and hi viewers, this is second part of classified question of algebra and number. So in my previous video of classified question of algebra and numbers have been finished till question number 12. So moving on towards question number 13. This question number 13 is based on indices law, and we will try to find out value of n. As you can see that 5 power n is equal to 1 over 125. So 125 is a multiple of 5 three times. That means we can say that 5 power 3. So this is 5 power 3. And next step, we have one more rule, a power negative m, we can change into fraction, 1 over a power m. So either you can say that 1 over a power m, once you bring it up, it will change into negative power. So 5 power n, 5 power negative 3. Once the bases are same, we will say directly n is equal to minus 3. Next, B part, we have to simplify 64 over m cubed whole power minus 1 over 3. So again, 64 is a multiple of 4 three times. That means 4 power 3. So we can say that 4 power 3 over m power 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. Or we can say that 4 over m whole power 3 multiply minus 1 by 3. So we can cancel 3 with cube root. We have left 4 over m whole power negative m. Or we can say that 1 over 4 over m. Our next step, we can change into reciprocal because it's 1 divide 4 over m. So means when you change divide into multiply, we can write m over 4. Means we change the places of numerator and denominator. Means our last answer is m over 4. Next, again we will apply indices concept. So we know that one rule of indices a power 0 equal 1. So I will apply that one here. So anything power 0, like for example a power 0 1, 5 power 0 1, now x power 0 1. So I will apply here. And remember that why we say this one a power 0 equal 1. If I take left hand side, which is a power 0, and see a power 0 is basically we can say that 1 minus 1, because plus 1 minus 1 gives us 0. So if we can write separately a power 1 into a power minus 1, so a power 1 over a power 1, cancel a and a, we will get 1. So this is right hand side. So here w power 0 is 1, that means 6, and the second we have like terms, so we can subtract 5x power cubed minus 3x power cubed, that means 2x power cubed. Hope so it is clear. Next one is 3y power 6. So we have to multiply, and remember that one rule of indices, once the bases are same, we multiply, add their powers. So here 3 multiplied by 5, 15, y power 6 minus 2, and which is equal 15 y power 4. Next, question number 15, we have to simplify, and remember in algebra we know how to factorize x squared plus 6x minus 7. So if I think about the product first and last, so that gives me minus 7x squared and some value is equal 6x. I need to write two values which we multiply to get 7, and if we add and subtract, it must be 6. So 7 into 1 gives us 6, and 7 minus 1, that would be 6 as well. So I can say that x squared plus 7x minus 1x minus 7 over. Here we can take 3 common, so it means x plus 7. And next step, x bracket open, x plus 7 minus 1 common, so x plus 7 over 3 bracket open, x plus 7, which is equal x plus 7 bracket close bracket open, x minus 1. So 3 bracket open, x plus 7, cancel x plus 7, x plus 7. So last answer is x minus 1 over 3. This is our last simplest form. I hope so it is clear. Moving on next, question number 16. In 16, factorize completely. So we will see in both terms, we have number as well as letter common. So we normally take the highest common factor. So in among 4 and 6, we have highest common factor is 2. So or you can write 2 p square means p multiply p q, and 6 we can say that 2 multiply 3 p q comes 2 times. So it means we have the common 2 as well as p and q. Yes. So we can say that our common factor is 2pq. The remaining one, it is divisible of that value, so we will get inside only 1p minus here 3 and q. Next one, this is group factorization. We will divide into parts. So in first part, I have nothing common, so 1 bracket open u plus 4t, or we can shuffle also, but let me see it is possible or not. So here we have x common, so if we take x common, u plus 4t, yes, it's possible. So now this whole expression, we have u plus 4t is common, so it means we have left or inside the bracket 1 plus x. That's how we factorized. Question number 17. We move on question number 17 now. Again, simplify. So here we can write 4 bracket open x minus 6 2 times because it's a perfect square over x minus 6. So cancel x minus 6, x minus 6. We have 4 over or 4 bracket open x minus 6. Next, expand the bracket and simplify. So this one we can apply, we have two formulas. Either we can apply a plus b whole square, which is equal a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we can multiply 2 times. So here we have x square plus 16 plus 2 into first one second one, that means 8x, multiply 5 inside, 5 3s are 15x plus 5 2s are 10, and we will add the like terms, x square plus 8 plus 15, 23 x, and 16 plus 10, 26. So this is simplest form. I hope so it is clear. We move on next. Next, question number 18. As you can see that this is a rectangle and one side is given, which is x, and the perimeter of rectangle is 80 centimeter. The area of the rectangle is A, and we have to show this one. So we will apply the concept of perimeter. Length we don't know, and width is x. Width is x. So perimeter of a rectangle equal to bracket open length plus width. So perimeter is given, which is 80. To length we don't know, width is x. We can divide to other side, so it would be 40 L plus x, or we can say that x is equal to 40 minus L. So as they said, they want area, so we know area of rectangle equal length multiply width. So area A equal length we consider as 40 minus L multiply width is 40 minus X, okay? So we can say that this is 40 minus X because we are looking L, okay? L equal 40 minus X. So 40 minus X and width is X also. A equal 40x minus x squared. We have to rearrange so that we can show exactly the same quadratic form. So bring 40x minus x squared from right to left. It would be plus x squared minus 40x plus a equals 0. So this is the answer of first part. Next. They say if when a is equal to 300, solve by factorizing the equation x squared minus 40x plus a equals 0. So for that, we can say that our required equation will be x squared minus 40x plus 300 is equal to 0. Our product is 300x squared. Our sum is minus 40x. So we are looking a value which we multiply to get 300, and to add and subtract we must have 40. So 30 multiplied by 10, that gives us 300, and 30 plus 10 gives us 40. So we have to take both negative, like x squared minus 10x minus 30x plus 300 is equal to 0. So if we take x common, it would be x minus 10, and here minus 30 common, so x minus 10, which is equal 0. So x minus 10, x minus 30 equals 0. So here we have two roots or two values of x. X minus 10 equals 0 and x minus 30 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 10, and the second value x is equal to 30. I hope so it is clear. Next, question number 19. It is on Wednesday, the price of 1 liter of petrol was 1.626 pound, means 1 liter equal 1.26 pound. The price of petrol on Wednesday was 5% more than the price of petrol on the previous Monday. Calculate the price of 30 liter. So for 30 liter is equal what? We have x is equal to 30 multiply 1.26, which is equal 30 multiply 1.6. I'm getting 37.8, and it is pound. So remember, there is a one point. Price of petrol is on Wednesday 5% more. It means the price of petrol on Monday, it must be less than the price of petrol on Wednesday. So we can say that price of petrol on Monday is 100 divided by, this is 5% more. So increase 5% in percentage, that means 100 plus 5, 105%. So 100 over 105% multiply by this amount, which is 37.8. And if we simplify this one, 100 divided by 105 multiply by 37.8, it gives me 36. So price on the previous Monday is 36 pound. I hope so it is clear. Next, we have solve x square minus 21x plus 20 equals 0. Show your working clearly. Of course, it's a quadratic form. We can think about factorization concept as well. So our product is equal 20x squared sum equal minus 21x. We need two numbers to multiply to get 20, means 20 into 1 and 20 plus 1, 21. So both must be negative, means x squared minus 1x minus 20x plus 20 equals 0. So if we take x common, x minus 1 minus 20 common, so x minus 1, and here we have x minus 1 common, so x minus 20 is equal to 0, x minus 1 equals 0, x minus 20 equals 0. That means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 20. I hope so it is clear. In third part, you will see the rest of the answer of classified question of algebra and number. So see you next video.